higa mano manwatieko e tiegruok e TTC. Mibadhi ok wadwar kabisa. Ndiko kanyo ni #employ P1 teachers. Gisiri Daniel inbene japuonj mar P1 inbene neno ote mari kanyo kiwacho ni mor koda twak mabende wadhi godo nyime. Katika mano mwalimu Obuon kwaloso kotende koda ndikruok e tich mago mag jopuonj mag P1. Bende waloso na bende kotende kod ikruok mane somo mano mar skunde mag senior secondary nikech wang'e ni ka koro penjo setim mano mar kejesea magi nyithindo makoro dhi e senior school to jopuonj bende waneno ka nitiere nok mag jopuonj ma bende winjo curriculum courses maka magi kata bed ni TSC bende gisani dwaro mar mondo mitieggi e yo makare.
Kamano Sharon yiena monda adoge chin kacha matin gimane osipegariyo man kanyo go ose wacho adapanda wachi ni upgrading mag jopuonj mag P1 masa under TC sani under World Bank program ok en ni mondo gengne jopuonjo ma P1 mapoko ndiki mondo kik ndiki. These are individuals ma ni qualifications ma biro yudo thuolo mondo tere gi puonje junior school. Sama gibiro dhi puonje junior school, gibiro we spaces and vacancies mondo jopuonjo ma P1 trained mondo ndiki. And I think gima kaber to wan duto ma wan jopuonj ma pok ondiki kata mose ndiki onego wa support. Mondo wan wang space mondo ko wan wangane kama koro sirkal dwa wachie ni jopuonj ma P1 ma trained and qualified ka ok nyal ndiki ka space was created by deploying P1 qualified teachers who had upgraded before mondo they opuonj junior school. Sama gibiro dhi junior school no gibiro reach the staff deficit ma as at now has been experienced in the past few years. Mae bibiro miyo jopuonjwa mosebedo gi nyithindo gi kuom ndalo duto mong'eyo the weaknesses and the weak lines. It is good ni osiepa ma Jakupet Kopolo was identify ni nitiere learning areas moko ma staffing under junior school has been an issue and in real sense jopuonj nya puonjo those learning areas to near primary eman jotam gi no ginyalo dhi. So ka onwang opportunity mondo gibed upgraded through a program ma World Bank sponsor, I think it is something all of us would support mondo me jowa ma unemployed but trained P1 teachers onong opportunity for employment. That aside, I also want to condemn, and they have condemned as a union, thuolo monye josiasa kao ma bunge wuthoge forms e offices ge e public barazas kaga gida mondo gindiki jopuonj ni kodhi irigi mondo gindiki japuonjo kan ndiki politically jopuonj indiko Gitieko Service Commission in the laid down procedures ma waduto wang'eyo through an advertisement mito maler to jopuonj apply to mo qualify at that time kala mo opportunity to mondo council jego ikaw and we only support ni mondo jopuonj ndiki based on their years of graduation. This will show ninti a clear pathway or rather a clear way ngato kosi tiku kule chongero kaka tiku kule jiga ma 2025 ni angeni by the year 2029 ibro ndika. It is an assurance mangato bedi ko ngeo ni kata kapoko ndike to ngeo ni kucho at a particular number of years kutiko oko kata number of months tibro ndike to as opposed to where ninga tenya ndika based on the ages, which of course I want to support giwana kopolo wacho ndijo ya mo komano dhi otimo other jobs elsewhere katije go koro hologe kata ka lose jobs kundigo to give them for training at their late ages then their ages chawa jani ngani yike ng'eny koro nego ndika. I think that is not right. Whereas it can be right, yes, but it should be used to keep away our colleagues most of the force many years kapoko ndiki abi jopuonj mang'eny mapoko ndiki. This number 300,000 teachers poko ndiki. It is true ni jopuonj pok ondiki, perhaps nyalo outnumber jopuonj osendiki kikwanogi. Nikech sani king'iyo TC numbers ochopo over 1 million. Over 1 million as we speak. To say no jopuonj moko ne service moko nitie gi TC number 20 something means mago joma nitie 2,000 to 20,000 and going forward. Compare gi jopuonj manoko, jopuonj moko samoro dongo ni ng'eny. This is a serious concern ne stakeholders. Ni sama jopuonj matindo manigi teko mang'eny ni oko to jopuonj makoro age in terms of the number of years magisi teach kada kako gi retirement ema dong teach. Ngiso ni teach koro kdhi maber kako nego timore. It is something we want the government and with the TSC under the new leadership but TSC manyien sani. Negi be a clear policy on how our colleagues are going to be absorbed. How are these are going to be absorbed? If this thing cannot be said in a clear way, then it means all the colleges in Kenya today are full to the brim. Do what in the college where will they go to? Where will they go to? This is something as parents, as teachers, as colleagues, is a serious concern for us. And therefore we want to say as a union, we are supporting the absorption of our colleagues based on the needs of our schools nego. As it is today, nyakanya wachak CBE ni, moa donje junior school ni, Sirkal chalik mo loko toke ne school ni mag primary in terms of employment of teachers. And this is something which is very dangerous for the future of primary schools, given the staffing needs Marawa schools is seriously being neglected because the staffing as presently constituted is aging. And aging staffing means you need your money onge teko mang'eny mag timo certain activities. When you're learning areas like physical health education, madwa ni japuonj dhi e pap to ka en ng'wech to nyalo ringo, to ka en mpira nyalo goyo or demonstrate, ka en gymnastic, how would you take a 50-year-old mother nigi issues to do with the limbs and any other thing, one of those physical activities, to one colleagues who are qualified, who have gone to school, who are energetic, who are outside there and are suffering, and yet they have the abilities to come and help us do the jobs. Let the government come out with a clear policy. Magibondiko jupunjwa ma qualify ma P1. As I said before, one get to P1s. P1s trained and qualified but not yet upgraded to teach CBC or CBE. One get P1 trained, qualified and went back to college, more upgrade, and yet not yet employed. These two teachers are qualified for employment. The one who is not yet upgraded can be allowed to upgrade while serving as a teacher. The ones who have been upgraded should be allowed to be employed because already they are qualified to take up the new curriculum. This is our take as a union, and it's something we are standing to say day and night. We say today, we say tomorrow, we say it any other day. So long as our colleagues are absorbed to come and serve and help us drive the education sector of this country.